Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a powerful tool for protecting your money and privacy online: virtual burner credit cards. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are, why they're useful, and how to set one up to maximize control and security. So let's get into this. What is a burner card? Burner card, also known as a virtual credit or debit card, is a digitally generated 16-digit card number complete with CVV and expiration, but it doesn't come with physical plastic. Instead, it serves as a proxy to your actual funding source. You create the number, use it online or over the phone, and then pause, cancel, or let it expire, leaving no live card for scammers to grab. Virtual cards are also sometimes called controlled payment numbers, single-use cards, or disposable credit cards. They were invented in the 1990s but are booming now thanks to increased fraud and easy fintech access. This is something you really have got to understand. So how do burner cards work? Number one, you choose a provider. You can choose your bank or Capital One's, Eno, or Citi, Amex, or Chase, or third-party platforms like Privacy.com, Ramp, Revolut, or even Ironvest. Step two, link your funding source. You connect a credit, debit, or checking account. No KYC credit checks unless required by the provider. Step three, generate the virtual card. Pick between single-use, multi-use, set merchant locks, define a hard-to-spend limit, expiration date, and even a usage window. Step four, use it to pay. Enter the card like any regular card online, by phone or via mobile wallets. Now, this is great because you do all this while your real information remains hidden. Next, after payment, you can instantly pause or cancel the card or let it expire naturally. Refunds support this flow. They go back to your real account even if the card is gone. Why would you want to use a burner card? First, fraud protection. A single-use card becomes worthless the moment it's used. Multi-use or merchant-locked cards also cancel misuse beyond its set context. If a retailer or data broker leaks payment info, the burned-out virtual number doesn't hurt you. Next, spending control. You set exact spending limits and expiration dates. You cancel subscription, trial, or purchase without fear of surprise charges. These safeguards are great for budgeting. No overages, no hidden renewals. Next, privacy and data hygiene. Burner cards are digital gloves for your wallet. Merchants and trackers only see the alias, not your real info, preventing aggregation of your purchasing habits. They cannot track what's going on. Businesses and employee-use companies issue virtual cards to vendors or employees with strict budgets, easier tracking, and quick cancellation. You get instant oversight, real-time reconciliation, and no expense reports. Next, international use and virtual gifting. This is a great solution for global transactions without foreign fees and for splurging on surprise gift without alerting recipients, especially when combined with burner anonymity. So, when to use burner cards? Use burner cards in scenarios like shopping at unknown or single-time use vendors, signing up for free trials or short-term subscriptions, booking travel, accommodations, or even rentals where data is stored, gifts that need privacy or surprise, or even recurring charges you want to limit or block later. Companies use them to pay contractors, subscriptions, or ad spend, even allowing global payments without massive FX fees. This becomes the smartest way to do this. Now, let's dive further. There's some things that are very important that we need to understand. There's some features like Privacy.com has a free tier. They will give you 12 virtual cards per month, and it supports single-use, merchant-locked spending caps, pause, cancel features. All this happen. Paid plans add category locks, increase card count, and 1% cash back. Then there's Ramp for business, unlimited free cards, vendor level controls, auto characterization, helps businesses save and reconcile in real time. Then you've got Capital One Eno, easily generate store-specific virtuals via app or extension, works online and via Google Pay. Then you've got Chase, Citi, and American Express. They all offer virtual numbers, varying features. You check with your issuer. Then you've got Revolut IronVest. Revolut gives you a disposable and multi-use with advanced controls. IronVest includes burner cards, virtual emails, phone numbers, password manager as well. Now, here's some real life user examples. One person said, I use a Netflix burner card set to $16 a month, and if I cancel it later, no chance of sneak charges. Another person said, I booked a questionable Airbnb, gave a burner with exact cost after checkout. I locked it so no weird holds. There's another person in a Reddit who said this, privacy lets you create virtual debit cards that are locked for use with a single vendor, or burner cards valid only for one-time use. So this is critical. Now, here are some common facts. People sometimes have questions and would like to know how these things operate. So you say, will refunds still go through? Yes, as long as the card hasn't been canceled before the refund is issued. Once processed, funds return to your main account. Can you use them in store? Rarely. Most aren't chip and PIN. Some work via mobile wallets, but acceptance varies. Are they free? Often yes. For instance, privacy.com gives you 12 free per month. Banks usually bundle them for free. Some fintech add fees on higher tiers. Next, do they affect your credit score? No. They mirror your existing card. No new credit lines, no hard inquiries. Are there any downsides? Well, they require updating recurring payments when expired. They're not good for in-store or physical return requirements, and some providers have fees or limited international acceptance. So let's walk through setting this up. You open your bank's app or privacy.com's website and you generate a new card. Choose single use or multi-use. Then you name it. Let's just say Netflix trial or July gift or Sarah. Then you set a strict spend cap and expiration. Next, check out online or enter during a phone order. Then you have the landing page. Purchase successful, pause, cancel it, monitor your burner dashboard. You sort by merchant, track expenses individually, no cross contamination. So there's some things that I want to share for a powerful usage. First, use for free trials. Set contract to expire after the promo is over. Use it for travel rentals. Avoid surprise, hold, or guest charges. Use it when testing unfamiliar services. Disposable card protects separate for everything that you set it up for. Then you can separate things even in your household, like subscriptions or kids or business. You can leverage desktop browser extensions to autofill details if you choose to do it just that way. Building advanced systems. You can have recurring subscriptions. Keep multi-use cards per service. Pause during dormant months. Kids, spammers, single-use cards for app signups. Pause or delete after use. You even want to watch expense control. Businesses can issue per vendor spend limit cards. What about security stack? You can pair with burner email and phone for ultimate privacy shield. Now, I'll go even deeper for you. Securing the stack. Your burner card can be part of a layered privacy system. Burner email addresses for on-time signups, masked phone numbers, or temporary SIMs for two-factor password manager for daily credentials, VPN for encrypted browsing. This way, each layer is disposable and compartmentalized. So when one leaks, you can quarantine just that part. Now, I've shared a lot of detail just to show you how beneficial a credit card burner card could be for you. Now, let's give you a summary and some next steps. Burner cards equal an extra layer of fraud and privacy protection. Create them anytime you shop online or want to guard against surprise charges. Set limits, lock merchants, expire them after each use. They're great for individuals, families, freelancers, and business. Compartment them with burner email, phone, password management, or even VPN. in. So here is your mission. Check if your bank supports virtual cards. Try a burner for your next free trial or one-time transaction. Notice how few surprise charges you get and how clean your data trails absolutely stay. Now, dive deeper. Combine with other privacy tools and build your own data digital shield. So there's something you have to know. Burner cards are your fast, smart, customizable shield against data leaks, tracking, and surprise fees. If this video helped you take control, please like and ring that bell. Our goal in this video was to help you stay safe, savvy, and intact with what is going on in our digital world. Well, I hope this has blessed you as much as it's been my privilege to share it with you. Be blessed until the next time. Talk to you soon.